In this video, we show you how to refinish outdated orange cabinets to a more modern look. Here's everything you're going to need to prep your cabinet. First, you're going to clean with TSP and then rinse with water. Let your cabinets dry before you electric sand with 180 to 220 grit. Wipe away all your sanding dust and then degloss with a liquid sander at the end. After your cabinets are fully dry, it's time to prime with the clear dead flat varnish from Modern Masters. So I'm going to go ahead and take a 2 or 3 inch chip brush and start by evenly coating it on the edges and crevices of my big panels. Next, I'm taking a big stipple brush with natural bristles and tapping out any lines that I've made and just evenly dispersing the product again. I always use a mini roller to roll out any big sections just to get the product on faster because dead flat varnish doesn't have a very long open time, so you want to get that product on quickly so that you can start working it before it dries on you. So now that my dead flat varnish has dried overnight, I'm taking the first layer of color that I've made up with my tints and I'm applying it in the same way that I did with my dead flat varnish. Step that I add in when I'm working with color is cheesecloth, and this just gives it a really smooth look. The cheesecloth also helps take off any excess product just so it's easier to work with and get that smooth finish at the end. looks like the next day after it's dried.